Okay guys, today I have a bezel and a master switch for a 2001 Toyota Land Cruiser. The switch itself had some issues. These pieces right here were broken off, and these things were really wobbly. These are ones that actually work, but these ones were super wobbly. So I took it apart to see if I could fix it. What you need is just a small Phillips screwdriver and then a regular size one, and then some JB Weld if you have this issue. And this kind of stuff happens quite often, so I'm sure that you will have the issue. I got the plastic weld, JB Weld. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take it apart. There's a screw right here, screw right here, or a screw right here. That gives you this. There's a screw here, here, and here. Those are the smaller ones. You're going to take those off, and then you have to take this piece off, which is, I believe, the window lock, and then the door lock switch. You have to remove those. After you do that, this comes right off. So now we're going to work on fixing these two pieces. So right now, okay, so now we're going to put the JB Weld on the back end of it. Okay, so I put it on somewhat on the front of it, but mainly in the back. Just make sure it's all covered well and let it dry. And make sure it's nice and level. There's a hole in the middle that I must have lost the piece for, but let's see if this fixes it. I may actually, after it dries, put another coat on the bottom part, but I think this will do it. So let's just wait and see what it's like when it dries. Stuff's supposed to dry in 5 minutes, so we'll see if that's true or not. See? And yeah, once you put it in, glue those back together. Works perfectly. Before, when I did this, it just wouldn't work because that bottom part was broken. So that's a $5 fix, and it works perfectly now. Okay, and this is in the vehicle. Down, automatic, up, working just fine, and then down and up. So everything worked fine on it.